So where is Isha in that one?
Now Isha to I have sent, I don't know, last time you were not there, today she is not there. And the other students ka day I have changed. She's from other place, na? She's the other girl was from Dubai. So her time slot I have changed a bit.
Okay.
Because topics are different, no, in your school and her school.
Yes.
See. Uh, how to read this, can you tell? How to read this symbol? How to read this symbol? Mu, correct. And mu is nothing but refractive index of which medium?
Yes.
Which medium? Second medium. No?
Yes.
Refractive index of second with respect to first. So now we want to study what is effect of speed denoted by V, wavelength denoted by lambda, and frequency. All are one liner. They can ask very important chapter light. We are doing 14 mark weightage on this. Effect of speed, wavelength, and frequency F due to refraction of light. Effect of speed, wavelength, and frequency due to refraction of light. See, when light goes from denser medium to rarer medium, will the speed change? Denser to rarer?
Yes.
Yes. And rarer to denser, will the speed change?
No.
That means there will be effect of speed due to refraction. What effect? We know this. When a ray of light gets refracted from rarer to denser medium. When ray of light gets refracted from rarer to denser medium, then speed of light decreases. That means it is changing the speed of light, decreases. Next line, if just copy tell this, then next line I am telling. So when ray of light gets refracted from rarer to denser medium, then the speed of light decreases. हेलो, हाँ ठीक है, हाँ हाँ चलो। कौन सा कर रहे हैं सर? सर कौन सा पेपर चेक कर रहे हैं सर? 12th वाले का है ना? पार्लर का नहीं, वो तो स्टूडेंट है जिससे आप पैसा लाए थे ना, याद नहीं क्या? वो हमें करके लाए, वही है वो। पार्लर का मतलब नहीं है, अपना स्टूडेंट है, रहता है पार्लर में। हाँ बोलिए, आगे क्या बोल रहे हैं? करता हूँ, लेक्चर होने का करता हूँ, तो 8 हो जाएगा।
Done.
Done, huh? So when goes from rarer to denser, then speed of light decreases. While if it is refracted from denser to rarer medium, then speed of light increases. Copy this also. Denser to rarer increases and rarer to denser decreases.
Sun.
See, frequency is source dependent, not medium. So frequency of light depends on source. So it does not change with medium. See, refraction means true medium, but because frequency depends upon source, not on the medium, so it does not changes with medium or due to refraction. Do you know formula for speed? What is formula for speed in terms of wavelength? Frequency into wavelength, no?
Yes.
So frequency will be V upon lambda or not?
Yes.
That means suppose frequency is constant. That means V upon lambda is constant. So if V is increasing, lambda should also increase. Like suppose 3 upon 4 is constant. So when 3 becomes 6, then 4 should become 8, na? Then only
Yes.
it is 6. So can I say, because frequency is constant but speed is changing, therefore wavelength will also change?
Yes.
So when light passes from rarer to denser, what will happen to the wavelength? It will increase or decrease?
It will increase.
Rarer to denser, velocity will decrease. Hence, wavelength will also decrease. But denser to rarer,
It will increase.
correct. Copied. Second point.
Yes.
And V equal to F lambda return.
No, no, no.
Yeah, just 2 lines copy, then I'm dictating further.
Yes, sir, dictate.
Okay. So we can say, thus, when light is refracted from denser to rarer, wavelength increases, and when refracted from rarer to denser, wavelength decreases. Very important. One question is fixed, either velocity or frequency or wavelength. They will say what will happen when light goes from denser to rarer to the wavelength. Your answer will be it will increase, and rarer to denser, your answer will be it will rarer.
Decrease.
Yeah. Before this also, Akruti, you have any lecture? Before this class?
I was there.
Before this class, you had any lecture?
No, I had in morning.
Acha, in morning you had? Okay.
Done, sir.
Define refractive index. The refractive index, it is also written as R dot I. Huh?
Yeah, I know.
The refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. The refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is defined as the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence. Sine of angle of incidence in the first medium to the sine of the angle of refraction in the second medium. It is defined as the ratio of sine of angle of incidence in the first medium to that in the second medium. What will be its unit? It is unitless quantity because it is ratio of two similar quantities. So it is unitless quantity.
Okay.
Perfect.
Done, sir.
Okay. So refractive index is defined as ratio of sine of angle of incidence in first medium, hello, to the angle of refraction in second medium we wrote, na?
Yes.
Now, if first medium is air or vacuum, then refractive index is called as absolute refractive index. So if they say just define refractive index, we'll say ratio of sine of angle of incidence in first medium to the angle of refraction in the second medium. But if it is an absolute refractive index, so we'll say like this. If first medium is vacuum or air, then refractive index is called as absolute refractive index. If first medium is vacuum or air, then refractive index is called as absolute refractive index. Or the refractive, okay, first copy this much. So only refractive index, then you will say it is sine of angle of incidence in first medium to angle of refraction in second. If they say absolute, then first medium is vacuum. Okay? Have you completed this?
Done, sir.
Now, if they don't specify the medium, then always we have to take first medium as vacuum only. So define refractive index. कुछ नहीं बोला है मतलब with respect to vacuum. Define refractive index in terms of ITO means in terms of velocity of light. So one was sin I upon sin R. Now I'm defining with respect to the speed of light. So we can say the refractive index of a medium is defined as the ratio of speed of light in vacuum or air to the speed of light in that medium. Therefore, mu, nothing written means mu of that medium equals to C upon V. C means speed of light in vacuum or air, and V is speed of light in medium. So one formula is sin I upon sin R. Second is speed of light in air to that in medium. Okay, do this.
Done.
Note right down. First one, refractive index of medium is always greater than 1, because speed of light is always greater than speed of light in vacuum is always greater than that in the medium. So refractive index is always greater than 1. Okay, done. Written.
Yes.
Speed of light in air is denoted by C is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Speed in glass Vg is 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Find refractive index of glass. What is formula for refractive index? Speed of light in air upon speed in that medium. So can I say 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon 2 into 10 raised to 8? This 10 raised to 8 will get cancelled. 3 upon 2 equals to 1.5. So
Done, sir.
define refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium. Now see, when we don't write any medium as first, then first is vacuum. But if it is written first medium, then it can be any medium, not necessarily vacuum. So refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is defined as ratio of speed of light in first medium to the speed of light in second medium. So refractive index of second with respect to first is V1 upon V2. Copy. Have you done full?
Yes.
Your school teacher has completed first part? 4A, first full? Hello?
So I don't know.
In school teacher has completed full this chapter, first part?
First part is completed.
Okay. And when is your first test?
They told it will start from 15th, but timetable is not yet.
15th of April, no?
Yes.
Okay. Right.
It is MCQ only.
But unconfirmed, they may keep it either 1 week after or 1 week from that. Right.
Yes.
Relationship between the wavelengths. Relationship between the wavelengths in the two medium. Relationship between the wavelength in the two medium. We know that. What is refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium? Hello? Is it V1 upon V2?
Yes.
V can I write F lambda 1 and
Yes.
V2 I can write F lambda 2. So F cancel. That means you can say refractive index of second medium with respect to first is also ratio of wavelength. That means wavelength in second medium is wavelength in first medium upon refractive index. So wavelength and refractive index are inversely proportional. Copy now. Any doubt in this relation?
No, sir.
Shall I clear it now?
Done, sir.
Okay. Show that refractive index of second with respect to first can be written as mu2 upon mu1. When I say mu2 upon mu1 means with respect to vacuum we are taking. What is mu21 in terms of speed? Is it v1 upon v2? Hello?
Yeah.
Can I write mu21 is v1 upon v2?
Yes.
So if I multiply by c and divide by c. C means speed of light in air. So can I say this is v1 divided by c, v2 divided by c? Can I do like this? Numerator, denominator both divided by c?
Yes.
Correct. So this equals to, what is v1 upon c? Is it 1 upon mu1? Because mu is c upon speed of light. C upon speed. So this is just ulta. So is it nothing but 1 upon mu?
Yes.
And this is 1 upon mu2. So can
Hmm.
I say it is mu2 upon mu1? Once again.
Yes.
Once again. Mu21 is v1 upon v2. I divided numerator as well as denominator by c. C upon v is refractive index. So this is just ulta. So 1 upon refractive index. 1 upon refractive index. So mu2 upon mu1. Hence proof. So mu21 is also mu2 upon mu1.
Done, sir.
Next class we will have 15 minutes test first on
Okay.
this chapter, whatever I completed today on this. Next, factors affecting the refractive index of a medium. Factors affecting the refractive index of the medium. The refractive index of a medium depends on the following three factors. First, nature of the medium. Nature of medium means whether it is rarer or denser. So that is its optical density. Nature of the medium, that is its optical intensity. Nature of medium, that is optical density. Write this much, then I'm explaining what does it mean. Nature of medium, that is optical density. Can you tell me refractive index of any medium is in terms of velocity? How can you write? C upon V in medium, correct? Can I write like this? Refractive index of a medium equal to speed of light in air or vacuum upon speed of light in medium.
Yes.
Now, this is constant or variable, speed of light in air?
Variable.
No, speed of light in air is constant, huh? Which is fixed, so 3 into 10 raised to 8. Medium, it will vary. This is variable. So if medium is denser, then velocity is less or more than in air?
Less.
If this denominator is less than numerator, answer will be greater than 1.
So can you explain another?
What is numerator upon denominator? Denominator is, suppose, chota, then answer will be mota, na?
Yes.
See, numerator is constant like this, fixed, 3. If I divide by 3, I will get answer 1. But if I divide by 1, I will get answer 3. If I divide with 1.5, I will get answer 2. Here it is 3, here it is 1. So denominator less, then answer is more, na?
Yes.
Because numerator is constant. So can I say if the medium is denser, then its velocity will be less, therefore refractive index will be more or not?
Yes.
So it depends upon optical density. If medium is more denser, then refractive index will increase, hai na? Not followed? Yes, Akruti, clear this much? If medium is more denser, then refractive index will increase. Hello?
Yes, sir.
The speed of light in air is fixed. Suppose it is c. Glass refractive index is 3/2. Water is 4/3. So, okay, 1 minute more, wait. Have you understood when medium is denser, then refractive index will be more? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Velocity of light in glass is more or in water it is more? Velocity of light. Who is more denser?
Glass.
Glass is more denser. Therefore, this velocity of glass will be less, na?
Yes.
So if you divide with C, both, where answer will be more? Glass wala kya water wala? This denominator is less, so answer will be more, na?
Yes.
So can I say refractive index of glass will be greater than that of water?
Yes.
Again this side. All refractive indexes C upon velocity in that medium. So if the medium is denser, D1 greater than D2 greater than D3. This is more denser. So lesser speed. That means more refractive index, no?
Yes.
Not followed.
Follow.
Can you tell me glass and diamond किसका refractive index ज़्यादा? Glass or diamond?
Diamond.
Diamond, because diamond में speed of light कम होता है. And water and glass,
Glass.
glass and air,
Glass.
glass का refractive index is more, air का कम. So whichever is denser will have more refractive index. So that's why I wrote if medium is more denser, then refractive index will increase. Copy first point. So first it depends upon optical density. More denser, then more refractive index.
Done, sir.
Okay. Suppose you increase the temperature, then molecules come closer or move away.
Close.
Suppose temperature outside is very large and we don't have AC, then we sit close or we move apart?
Apart.
Apart. Apart means we become rarer or we become denser?
Rarer.
Rarer. So physical condition such as temperature पे भी it depends. When temperature increases, very important reason. When temperature increases, then refractive index decreases because particle becomes rarer. Second part, write properly. When temperature increases, then refractive index decreases because it becomes rarer.
Done, sir.
Yes. Third point, the color or wavelength. So refractive index depends upon optical density, depends upon temperature. Third, color or wavelength of light. If wavelength increases, then refractive index will increase or decrease. If wavelength of medium increases, then refractive index will increase or decrease.
Increase.
नहीं, डिनोमिनेटर बढ़ेगा तो आंसर कम होता है. Denominator more than answer will be less. Huh? Hello? Hello?
Okay.
Wavelength of red color is maximum, na?
Yes.
And violet color is least. This you know or not first?
Yes, I know.
So wavelength of red color is maximum and violet color is least. Thus, refractive index of medium is greater for violet color because its wavelength is less, and least for red color. For violet color, refractive index is more as compared to that of red color because it is ulta. Lambda of red is more, therefore refractive index is less.
Yes.
When wavelength is less, then refractive index is more. Red is more wavelength, less refractive index. Violet is less wavelength, more refractive. Ulta. Okay.
Invention.
Done, na?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose I travel like this, A to B and again B to A. So can I say I have reversed my path?
Yes.
So whenever you follow same path but in ulta direction, then it is called reverse the direction. Like I start from Bhandup station, come to PPS school, and from PPS I go back. So I have just reversed my direction and path I have followed same. This is called as reverse. If I go from PPS to Bhandup station and then from Bhandup to Kanjur and come back to PPS, this is not reverse, है ना? So now what is meaning of principle of reversibility of path of light? State principle of reversibility of path of light. State principle of reversibility of path of light. According to principle of reversibility of light, when direction of light is reversed, then it follows same path but in opposite direction. That means suppose light is going from P to Q and to R. So when you reverse it, then it will go from R to Q and Q to P. That means same path but in opposite direction. That is
Right.
called as principle of reversal. No doubt, na?
No.
Hello? Okay, please copy this much then.
That's it.
Okay. Next heading, right? Show that show that show that mu 2 1 is equals to 1 upon mu 1 2, or mu 2 1 into mu 1 2 equal to 1. Heading written? Hello? Heading you have written? Yes, Akruti, heading you have written?
Yes, sir.
Write it. Suppose I make light to go from P to this point Q. What is this angle called? Superb. Suppose this is rarer medium and this is denser. So light comes down. What is this angle called? Angle of refraction. So this was first medium, this was second medium. But if I make light to go ulta, then this R will become I, na? And this I will become R. Okay, getting it?
Yes.
So can I say, if ray of light travels from first medium to second medium, then by Snell's law of refraction, mu of second medium with respect to first is sine I upon sine R, equation 1. I think you understood this.
Yes.
Just copy this much.
Done, sir.
So when ray of light goes from first medium to second, refractive index of second medium to the first medium is sin I upon sin R. By principle of reversibility, refractive index ulta of first with respect to second will become I will become R and R will become I, because everything is ulta. So multiplying 1 and 2, we get refractive index of first with respect to second, second with respect to first into first with respect to second, sin I upon sin R into sin R upon sin I. Sin I cancel, sin R cancel. So mu2 1 into mu1 2 becomes 1, or mu2 1 is 1 upon mu1 2. Copy.
Done.
Done, na? Now I'm doing 3 numericals from the textbook. You have the textbook in front of you.
Yes.
Just open the numerical part A, page number 82. Can you see the first question? Yes, have you come to that page 82?
Stuck.
Read the first one. Is it given speed of light in air? Hello, is it given speed of light in air? Yes, Akruti, can you find that page?
Start searching.
Is searching. Open page number 82,
Yeah,
prism.
yeah, got it, got it.
Got it. Now I'm reading the sum. See whether it is same in your book. Speed of light in air. Same it is.
Yes.
So we can write speed of light in air by C, or V suffix A is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Calculate speed of light in glass if refractive index of glass is 1.5. Refractive index of glass, nothing given, means with respect to air, is velocity of light in air upon velocity of light in glass. So velocity of light in glass is VA upon mu G. VA is 3 into 10 raised to 8 and mu G is 1.5. So it becomes 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Okay, agreed?
Yes.
So
Done, sir.
okay, second one. Speed of light in diamond. So V, D means speed of light in diamond, is 1,25,000 kilometer per second. So it is 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 0, into 10 raised to 3 kilometer to meter per second. That I can write as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.25 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Then what is the refractive index, means mu, of that diamond if the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So refractive index of diamond is VA upon V in diamond. V air is 3 into 10 raised to 8. V diamond is 1.25 into 10 raised to 8. So this will become 3000 upon 125. 25 into 5, 25 into 12, which is 2.4. So
Done.
third one, the refractive index of water. So refractive index mu, water is W. With respect to air, we don't write. Air understood, it is air. Even if we don't write, you will get full mark. It's 4/3. So what will be refractive index of air with respect to water? Just now we proved when you do interchange of medium, then product becomes 1 by path of reversibility. So 4/3 into refractive index of air with respect to water is 1. So air with respect to water will be 3/4. 3/4, you can also write 0.75. Followed this also?
Yeah.
Okay, then fourth I am doing, then we'll stop today. Next class, whatever I have completed, 15 minutes test on this.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Done this.
This also done so fast? Good.
Yes.
Done, then I'm clearing.
Yeah.
Okay, fourth one we'll see. Please try all the problems in this week, at least one daily. Next. Refractive index of wavelength. Ray of light of wavelength 5400. This is called Angstrom. AMG, Angstrom unit. Suffers refraction from air to glass. That means ray of light of 5400 suffers refraction from air to glass, means this was air, it goes into glass, whose refractive index is 3/2. Find the wavelength in glass. Refractive index of glass with respect to air is lambda air upon lambda glass. So lambda glass is lambda air upon refractive index of glass with respect to air. So this is 5400 divided by 3/2. So 5400 into 2/3. This becomes 1800. So 3600 Angstrom unit. Copy.
Done.
Okay. So that's all for today. Next class, same time, 6:30 to 8. You revise and keep yourself. 10 minutes I will take short test.